All right, we're out here on the beautiful Brisbane waters. So we're going to demonstrate the Garmin Onboard system, going to be doing the captain's tag. So in this situation, when that tag right there goes in the water and gets submerged, it's actually going to kill the engine. So here we've got it wired up to a Suzuki through the Garmin 1253, Garmin GPS Map 1253. You can see the two tags here. We've got one named the owner of the boat, and we've got a passenger tag here as well. They're both green and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just get up here on the plane, and we're going to throw that life jacket with the tag on it in the water so you can see. Actually, I might even just do trolling speed. So just sort of simulate someone out game fishing, and then we get up to 8 knots here. All right, so we've got the gear in the water. You're fishing solo. You go over the side to relieve yourself, and you fall in. There you go, you're in the water. You've got warnings flashing up here, and there we go. Boat has just been stopped dead, still in gear. I haven't touched that. You can see the life jacket there. So now we've got so we're going to navigate to it. Yes, we are. It's going to put all the data in up on here, and we can silence that alarm, and we're going to go back. We zoom in, it's going to show where the actual tag went in the water. So we need to start the engine. We're up and running now. It's allowed us to restart it. So if there were someone on the boat, a passenger, and the skipper had gone in, now the passenger's able to drive straight back to the skipper who's gone over. You'll see here, it's putting a heading line telling us exactly where to go back to. If you had autopilot, we could engage that, and the autopilot, the Garmin autopilot, would actually bring the boat straight back. You can see the life jacket in the water there, just coming up on it. All right, I'll try not to run it over. It's drifted a little bit. And there it is, coming in. Unksy's going to grab it. Got the skipper, he's safe, he's alive. A little bit wet, and there you go. That is the Garmin man overboard system in full action. Incredible technology, well worth having on your boat, particularly if you fish solo. Been far too many people lost at sea fishing solo and never recovered. I'm sure the $1,000 that this system cost would be well worth it if you were in the water watching your boat drive away. All right guys, hope you enjoyed that.